Last week, I spent the whole week, almost the whole week, before we went to Bacolod, talking to yung ating mga kaso ng pilferage. Actually, these are not recent pilferage. These are not recent pilferage cases. Ito yung mga nasa record natin. Noong pa, may pilferage. So about 100 plus of them. So, naghigpit tayo doon para lang ma-clear yung ating record. So, pinuntahan yung mga yan. Nakakalungkot lang. Okay? Nakakalungkot. Ang pilferage kasi, as I think you all know, either kasuhan ka ng INEC if you're caught with pilferage, or there is a settlement agreement. Okay? Otherwise, kakasuhan ka because that's against the law. So, the fact na nandito yung may record sila sa INEC, na may pilferage sila, the fact that it's still in the record, way back 2010 pa nga yung iba, the fact that it's in the record, so ang assumption namin, ang assumption ko is hindi yan nakasuhan or hindi nakipag-compromise sa group. So we had them called, no, but syempre pumunta naman sila on the threat of mapuputulan sila, no, so just to sort it out, no. For the most part naman na-sort out yun, no, yung iba wala na, nasira na yung bahay, so yun pinagbigyan na lang natin. Marami naman, yung iba naman umami naman talaga na hindi nila inayos, no. Ang nakalulungkot lang doon sa mga inamin, doon sa ibang cases lang, at ito talagang nakakalungkot dito. Yung ibang cases lang, parang I think about of the 90 or so na nakausap ko, I think about almost 20 of these. May cases na inayos daw nila.
Under the table.
Ayos nila, and then they were wondering why it's still there. No? Varying amounts. No? From a low of 15,000 to a high of 50,000. No?
Inayos nila sa mga dating official lang.
Well, apparently,
mga residential.
Basta inayos nila. No? So what we did, again, yung iba, natatandaan nila yung pangalan, yung iba, hindi na. But ang ginawa na lang natin, because I basically condoned the utang, no? Ang kapalit lang, nagsulat sila ng affidavit or ng letter na inayos na po namin yan. So, yung iba, mentioned names, yung iba naman, marami naman doon, wala na rin. In fact, I think all of them, wala na dito sa INEC, no? Because kung nandito pa sa INEC, in fact, I was asking them kung nandito pa yan. So, obviously, wala na, no?
Hindi niyo hahabulin yung mga wala.
Well, pag-iisipan natin, we'll check with legal. But ang nakakalungkot lang doon, well, may mga kasong gano'n, no? May nakakalungkot lang doon, aside from inayos, no? Inayos, na hindi natanggal sa record. I don't know why. Baka naman nakalimutan lang tanggalin sa record. Yung iba naman talagang nasettle, may resibo naman. So talagang okay lang yun. Yung iba, wala nang resibo. At yung iba nga, medyo questionable yung pag-ayos nila.